Good afternoon, friends. Now, I'm Annetta and Mr. Seft will give some exercise about caution and notice in national examination of junior high school.
Let's start our session with question number 1. What does the notice mean? Keep the room clean. A. Do not throw the rubbish in the room. B. Do not destroy everything in the room. C. Do not sleep in the room. D. Do not speak in the room.
Alright. You can find out the answer. I read the question number 2. Where do you usually find the sign on the right? Put the trolley here. A. In the supermarket. B. In the garden. C. At the train station. D. At the airport.
This is easy answer, right. Okay, I read the question number 3. No entry. What does the notice above mean? A. We are not allowed to walk near the place. B. We are not allowed to come in the place. C. We are forbidden to get out from the place. D. We are forbidden to put something in the place. Okay, Annie, you continue the question.
Listen. Question number 4. Caution. Keep out the reach of children. The aim of the text above is people. A. To warn. B. To stop. C. To offer. D. To help. Okay. What is your answer?
I will continue with question number 5. Caution. Switch off the ceiling fan before leaving the class. What does the notice mean? A. The fan should be switched on when you want to use it. B. The fan is broken so you can switch it off. C. Switch on the fan when you are outside. D. Make sure the fan off before you go out. Okay, what is the answer?
I will read the caution and you read for the question, Mr. Seft.
Cane problem, Annie.
Caution. Volcanic fumes are hazardous to your health and can be life-threatening. Visitors with breathing and heart problems, pregnant women and young children should avoid this area.
Okay. Question number 6. What is the caution about? A. Volcanoes and their effects. B. The danger of volcanic fumes. C. Women and their children's health. D. Pregnant visitors on the mountain.
I will read question number 7, Mr. Seft. Visitors with breathing problems are not allowed to visit the area because A. The fumes can make them difficult to breathe. B. The fumes can enter humans' lung. C. It is very tiring to climb the mountain. D. Certain people cannot breathe well.
Okay, Annie, I will read the question number 8. Where do you usually find such a caution? A. At all public place with non-domestic visitors. B. Any places visited by tourists. C. On mountain with few visitors. D. At tourist resorts on volcanoes. It is my turn to read the caution. Are hazardous to your health.
Oh, question number 9. What does the hazardous mean? A. Dreadful. B. Dangerous. C. Uneasy. D. Serious.
Not difficult for answering. Question number 10. Where do you find the following notice? Please check in your baggage 1 hour before boarding time. A. At the railway station. B. At the harbor. C. At the airport. D. At the bus station. What is the answer?
You are so funny, Mr. Seft. I will read the last question. According to the notice above, if our plane takes off at 1:25, we must A. Check in at 1 o'clock. B. Be ready before boarding time. C. Leave an hour before boarding time. D. Check in at 12:25. Okay friend, I think enough exercise for national examination based computer from us.
For your answer and comment you may write in comment column.
See you again in the other chance. Bye.
Bye.